In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Shopify free trial. To get started, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the button that says Start Free Trial and click it. This will take you to the sign up page where Shopify begins setting up your store. Next, you will create your account. Enter your email address in the field provided, then create a strong password. A good password is one you do not reuse anywhere else, and it should be difficult to guess. When you are ready, click the button to create your account. At this point, Shopify will begin preparing your admin area, which is where you will manage everything in your store. After your account is created, Shopify may show you a few introductory questions. These questions help Shopify customize your setup, such as what you plan to sell or where you are in the process. If you want to move faster, you can choose the option to skip all. Either choice is fine, and you can still adjust your store settings later inside the dashboard. Once you continue, you will be asked to select your region. Choose the region that matches where your business is based. This matters because Shopify uses it to help with defaults like currency, taxes, and store settings. After selecting your region, click Next. Then you will choose your Shopify ID sign-in method. Shopify typically gives you options, such as signing in with Google, Apple, or email. Pick the method you prefer. The best choice is the one you will be able to access consistently, since you will use it each time you log in to manage orders, products, and settings. Finally, you will pick a plan. You will usually see plan options in a banner near the bottom of the page, and Shopify may offer a discounted introductory rate, such as a low cost for the first few months. Select the plan that fits your needs right now. If you are just getting started, choose the option that gives you what you need without overcommitting, since you can upgrade later as your store grows. After you choose your plan, your free trial and setup process will be in motion, and you will be ready to start working on your store. That covers everything you need to know.